Yo, we from the Kuki Nation, deep in the hills, got the heart and sensation. But these enemies looking, trying to bring us down, dividing us up, wearing hate like a crown. Man, it's fucked up, we can stand as one. Bitches taking shots, thinking it's all just fun. Shout out to the fam, hold tight, don't crack. Our roots run deep, ain't no turning back. My love for you, it's a bond so real. Through the struggle and the pain, we gotta heal. Kuki spirit strong, like a warrior's might. We'll rise up, shine bright, take back our night. My love for you, it's a bond so real. Through the struggle and the pain, we gotta heal. Kuki spirit strong, like a warrior's might. We'll rise up, shine bright, take back our night. Yeah, I'm ballin in the fight, flexin hard. Enemy scheming, but we playing our cards. United we stand, divided we fall. These bitches don't know we ain't scared at all. Got our history written in the stars above. Feel the energy, it's that Kuki love. Hope in our hearts, motivation ignites. We'll rise from the ashes, reclaiming our sights. Ain't no stopping us now, we're breaking the chains. Grateful for the fam, through the joy and the pains. Together we hustle, together we grind. In this Kuki heart, our love's intertwined. So let them come at us, we'll never back down. Building our strength, yeah, we wear that crown. From the nipper to me, so our loyalty is true. This is our anthem, my love